Hello everybody again. This is a special version of my channel. I'm a gamer as well as enjoying trying to show you all around the beach. And I also run an operating system called Linux. I've made one video and got it on my channel, but not too many people seem to want to pay attention to it. And one of the things they say is not the best about Linux is you can't game really very well on Linux. This is a game that probably doesn't get hardly any attention at all because it's free. It doesn't cost anything, so nobody's really making money on it. It's called Star Conflict. If you download the Steam application for Linux, Windows, or iOS, you can play this game just simply for signing up for it. And I'm going to show you all a little bit about it so you'll understand that Linux is not like it used to be, and the games that you play are completely different from how they used to be on Linux. So this is basically an outer space type game where you can start off with a small ship and work your way up and buy ships and complete excursions to get extra points, and go to battle in different player versus player or player versus artificial intelligence. But this is just to show you all that you can't play games on Linux anymore, especially with Steam out, and the ones they have available is pretty much a myth. Get yourself teamed up too if you get something wrong. Got blue wings. I'll pull up something with just a little bit more power and see if it'll help. A lot further away with this guy, and not get blown away as quickly as usual. That's a little bit more where I can get above them, see down a little better. one. You pick up trophies and parts for other ships. You can build other ships. It's for being a free game. All you have to do is install Steam on your Windows, your Linux, or your Mac, and play. It's a pretty interesting free game I wanted to give a shout out to. Y'all enjoy. Bye bye.